Yes, hello. My name is Teto Ol'Aimerri, a parent, an artist, and a philanthropist. I'm so excited now that the rains are about to begin, and again to introduce to you this aspect of my work, which includes, sharing Maasai culture, appropriation, as well as creating content that, against the backdrop of the culture, and that not only kind of sheds light about the culture itself, but also for posterity's sake, help us in the years to come to remember, what we were as a society. So why am I telling this? Again, we are back with that online class. We call it 30 Days Spoken Ma Culture and Language Orientation. This is 30 days that I take you through the whole aspects of the culture, from the migration of the Maasai into the East African savannah where they presently reside, in the southern part of Kenya and the northern part of Tanzania. We'll also look at all their aspects of their lifestyle, their culture, including their way of worship, their way of governance. We'll also look at their clothing. We'll look at, their beliefs, where they believe they originated from, and as well what some of their basic folklore and major folk tales teach about life. We'll look also at their rites of passage and probably one of their secrets why, they have been able to be the dominant custodians of the East African savannah for a good long time. Yes, they are getting back there. You better trust me. We'll also look at the aspects of the spoken part of the language. And I'm going to train you on how to speak this language by sharing you with content including videos, audios, and PDFs, as well as interactions on live online classes, and we'll get to see and understand about this majestic culture. So, are you interested? Even better, do you know someone who is interested? Hit us up, respond to this message, find out Teto Ol'Aimerri. Follow me on social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok now, also Ol'Aimerri Media, and respond fast to this message, and you'll get more about the course.